Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a unboxing from Plant Therapy Essential Oils. I think this is a $100 or so haul. Plant Therapy is easily in my top 3 favorite essential oil companies. They are the very first company I branched out to from Young Living, where I started my essential oil journey. They're amazing. They check all the boxes. And I love that they have so many different products that are really good, like candles and bath and body and things like that. So I just placed a restock, buying some new things order, and I don't know what order this is going to be in. Oh, it's their customer appreciation month right now. And so they have different deals all the time. I've been sharing on my Instagram stories, but make sure you go and look and sign up for their emails too. I'm sure they'll send you emails as the deals change, but look for my Instagram stories too. They're already really great prices. So when they have sales like that, it's just awesome. So first thing is aloe vera jelly with lavender. This is going to be your after sun godsend. Lavender in any way, whether it's in a hydrosol or just neat sometimes for a burn, or in any other type of balm or product, even just a lavender roller on sunburn works instantly and really helps it heal so much faster. So aloe also helps that. So I got this. So it's an aloe vera jelly. So it's not just aloe, it's water, aloe leaf juice, hydrolethyl cellulose, lavender essential oil, carrageenan, so a few preservatives, I'm assuming that's what those are, wild geranium, dandelion, go-to cola, and horsetail extract. So I actually didn't know it was all of those things when I ordered it. I thought this was just aloe, but it's okay. It smells amazing. I feel like all of those different ingredients are gonna help even more. It smells so good. But after sun, this is key. Lavender is used, probably helichrysum and lavender are 2 most used essential oils in the summer. Helichrysum for bumps and bruises and summer owies, and then lavender for sun. So this also came in the box. This is a scratch and win. So let's scratch it and see if I win. I don't know what this is. Nothing like a good old scratch off. Says 30% off. So that, I don't know if that's just from or for the customer appreciation, but that's cool. And 30% is a huge chunk. I don't know if you can layer codes, probably not, but I do have a code for Plant Therapy too. I'll put that down below. This is a body wash. I'm pretty sure these are newer, but they did just go through a rebranding recently, so I get confused on whether or not the product is new or it just looks so much cuter because of the rebrand. But their labeling is really nice. Vanilla Woods Soothing Body Wash. I have the Vanilla Woods something else. I think it was either a candle or maybe a room spray, but all of their scents are just so good. Ooh, that's really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the pump right in it. So this is Soothing Body Wash. This has water, aloe. I'm skipping over some jojoba, copaiba, balsam fir, blue cypress, sage. It's very earthy, woodsy, vanilla-y, kind of sweet. And then a few soap ingredients, vitamin E. So I'm excited about this. Body wash. Next, what is this? This is, organic whitening pulling oil. I have not done oil pulling consistently ever, and so I saw this and I'll give it a try. It's whitening, and I think it's coconut oil. So fractionated coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, peppermint, clove, vitamin E, and that's it. So you do not swallow this. You swish it around in your mouth for really, I think you can do, it says 1 tablespoon for at least 2 to 5 minutes, and then for maximum benefits, increase time up to 20 minutes. So it's super interesting. I'm always into trying different natural things. I don't have any issues currently with my mouth or teeth or anything, but I'm always up to trying something different. There's a lot of cool benefits. Maybe I'll put them, every video I do has a blog post that goes with it, and I'll put maybe some benefits of oil pulling there. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells similar to the Young Living toothpaste I used to use, because I think it was peppermint and clove as well. That blend really smells good. Oh, golly. Got 2 oils and a roller. Oh, that's right. So we are starting our first year of homeschooling this year, and we are very excited for it. And so I wanted to get a couple of oils to support us for that. So where before is sending them to public school, I would send them with a headache roller, a tummy roller, or an anxiety roller, things like that. But here at home, we're going to have different issues. And so I have Self-Esteem, which is a blend of black spruce, frankincense, toadwood, and blue tansy. So it's similar to Valor if you're a Young Living person, or Revive has the same blend too. And blue tansy is my favorite essential oil. Sometimes you gotta just use your teeth. So anything blue tansy, I already know it's going to be one of my favorite oils of all time. I have this blend at my desk too. It's called Resilience by Simply Earth, and this has blue tansy. Any blue tansy blend is like, I just want to jump in a pool of it. This is good. It's very sweet. So blue tansy is sweet. Frankincense is the grounding. Black spruce is like woodsy. It smells good. I'm getting a lot of tree oil, which is a little bit different than I think the other blends that I have. It's a little bit less. Brain Aid is next. So this is a pre-diluted roller. I love when brands have these. Again, their labeling, how cute though, really. But it's pre-diluted, so you don't have to do any guesswork, and it tells you, so Brain Aid, it's going to help with school or sitting down to work too, anything you need to do to sit down and concentrate basically. So this is pre-diluted 5% for your convenience. I also love when they put the percentage. Not all brands do that. 5% is pretty general. I do have a guide, maybe I'll put that in the post, but if you want to get very specific, so like oils on your face should be diluted a lot more than making a perfume roller or things like that. This is pink grapefruit, bergamot, palmarosa, so happy, citrusy, bright, juniper, basil, peppermint, lemon, anise, Mei Chang, and rosemary. Rosemary's been studied for this a lot, so it's no surprise that it's in this blend. Rosemary is really good for focus and concentration. Ooh, that's interesting. No, that is so different from anything I've ever smelled. So it's citrusy, but it's also not. This is a lot of different things going on, and I get it because that's what all of those essential oils individually working together. It smells good. It's bright and uplifting and just like, I don't know, it's a good one. I'm a fan. Organic Study Time. So they also have this line, which is called their Kids Safe line, and they're just oils that you will gravitate more towards when you're using oils with kids. So this one is not diluted. This can be diluted to use topically, or you can put this in your diffuser, which is why we got it. So this one is petitgrain, bergamot, cedarwood, grapefruit, lavender, and vetiver. So I see some positive mood boosting and a lot of grounding essential oils. Organics or Study Time. They also have organic oils, and not all of them are though. That's nice. That's very calming. I can see how that would really help just ground you and help you focus. That's really nice. I like that, and I love how these two are different. They are so different. So we'll be using those, and I will share how they work out for us. Lastly, I got a couple of carrier oils. I've been really into only using oils on my face. I stopped using a moisturizer probably 2 or more months ago now, and my skin has completely changed in the texture and just how it feels throughout the day. It feels really good, and so I'm really liking it. I don't think I'll go back. So I got a couple of essential oil, or a couple of carrier oils that are going to be good for skincare. So organic hemp seed, and then this one is grape seed. When you're using carrier oils on your face for skincare, you want to make sure that they have a comedogenic rating of a 0 or 1. 2, maybe I try to stay on the 0 to 1 just because I am more acne prone, and you want the oils to help your skin and not make you break out. So that rating just means, is it going to clog your pores or not? And so these were good. I made a face oil that I've been using every day that I made. I will put the recipe in this blog post. It's so great. It has blue tansy in it, surprise, and a couple other essential oils. Very light though, just a couple drops. And then I also have a myrrh facial oil that I got from a friend, a really small business, which I love to use at night also, and that has a bunch of different carriers. I think olive oil, maybe, I'm not sure, but it's a great one as well. And I have all of these things, and I'm buying moisturizers so much, and really not all moisturizers worked for me, and I don't feel like they were working well with my skin. I don't know. Anyway, so I switched because it's so easy to make. It takes 2 minutes and then it lasts a lot longer. And it's just, my skin feels and looks so much better. So anyways, that's my little spiel on my little skincare, what I've been doing. I plan on sharing that too on Instagram coming up soon. But I hope you liked this plant therapy haul. Let me know if you have any of these products, if you're interested in any of them. I will let you know how the oil pulling goes. I'm really curious about this and super interested. So I'll do some more research, put some benefits in this blog post. And if you have any questions, the link to shop will be down below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.